Good morning, viewers. Today we will solve a partition list. Uh, there is given a question of there is given a list, okay, linked list. You just have to do this, that from some part there isn't greater than there isn't given a node 3, means at some part there is a value greater than 3, and also put the same value against that from some part you just have to do, there is a smaller value from the 3, okay. You just have to do in this list, means you just have to put that some values are greater than 3, and at the left side there is a value which is lesser than 3. So the first this is a medium level question, so let's do this. List node. First you have to create a low list node, which is new list node, dummy list, okay, means dummy list pointing to the 100, means the initial value is 100, and you just have to list node temp low, which is pointing at the low, okay, low linked list, okay. In the same way you just have to create list node star high equals to new list node which is of 100, and list node star temp high, you just have to put it on a high, okay, and then list node temp equals to head, okay, you just have to put it, and while check while temp is not equals to null, you just have to do this. Temp ka val you just have to check the temp ka val is less than x, okay. You just have to check if it is less than x, then you have to do this. Temp ka low means you have to create the low and high, temp low and temp high pointer, which is pointing to the list having the less than value of x, and temp high will points the value which is greater than the x, okay. So you just, if it is less than, then you have to put the pointer temp ka next equals to, add the temp, and then move forward. Temp equals to temp ka next, okay. Temp equals to temp ka next, and temp low is equals to temp low ka next, okay. You just have to do this, and if this condition is not satisfied, then you have to do reverse of this, means you just have to put that temp high ka next is equals to temp equals to temp ka next, and temp high is equals to temp high ka next, okay. You just have to do this, and after that, after this traversal, you just have to do one thing, just connecting the temp low and temp high with this, okay. So just do this. Temp low ka next, okay, temp low ka next, okay. You just have to do this with the high ka next. Why you not connect with the high? Because it is a dummy node which is connected, which has a 100, so you just have to connect it with the high ka next, okay, means high ka next. And after that you just have to do temp high ka next equals to null, because it is at the end, so you just have to make the full linked list. After that you just have to return low ka next. Why not low? Because at the low there is an 100, so you just have to return the low ka next. Let's run it whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this code is running properly. Let's submit it. Submitted. Thank you for watching.